Wow, where's the upwards? There we go. Alright, you know how to operate these fancy lifts, don't you? There we go.
I'm going this way.
Have you been there for a game? Oh yeah. I love that stadium.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Fun area.
It just did.
It's a really fun area. Well, good luck. Okay, great.
Floor number 8? No. M, this is the one. Hey, this is crazy, hey. Thank you very much. Let's roll. Right, man. We're going.
There's just too many people.
I thought we were going to go in a circle. Yeah. Alright, we need City Exchange. Zoe! Holy cow! Oh my god, we need to walk around here, come on. Stand in there, Zoe. Stand in there. Look at that! That's amazing.
Taking a place like this to China.
China.
Yeah.
Wow.
The Super Bowl. It's at a neutral site.
Yeah, I think it was Shanghai, a place like this. Not as big, but on a similar
In a similar vein.
design.
Check this out, right? Look here and you look up. Look at that! Bloody hell, eh?
Yeah.
I just carry on walking, let's just explore this level. What's this? Wow. Yeah, it's pretty good. I'm gonna go right to see what's there as well. Is there anything there? Want to take a seat and relax?
City experts, isn't it?
Yeah. Take a seat. explosive. It's nice.
Sean.